just like that, okay? Okay, and go to that side. I always say this is such an important area here where two opposite curves meet. The first rib comes and ties in there too, so a lot of subluxation dysfunction happens right there, and that can impede a whole bunch of like mobility and things like that. So relax your shoulders. We're gonna get some more mobility back in your neck. So you just let your head relax, okay? So all I'm gonna do is just a push, just like that, okay? So that's perfect. You feel that, don't you?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, okay. We'll do the same on the other side. Okay, perfect. So let your head just let it fall. Good. Powerful, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Okay.